Unlocking the power of carrot juice, 7 compelling reasons to make it a daily habit. Hey there, health enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of carrots and the incredible benefits of incorporating carrot juice into your daily routine. But before we get started, did you know that just 100 grams of carrots can meet your daily vitamin A requirements? Well, hold on to your seats because a single 8-ounce glass of carrot juice packs a whopping 800% of your daily recommended intake of vitamin A and around 16 milligrams of beta-carotene. Now, that's impressive. But the benefits don't stop there. Carrots, with their rich history and diverse colors, are a true gift from nature. From promoting eye health to supporting weight management, these orange wonders have a lot to offer. Stick around, because we're about to unveil 7 compelling reasons why you should consider making carrot juice a daily ritual. And hey, we've got a fantastic recipe waiting for you at the end. Carrots, originally purple or yellow, evolved into the familiar orange variety we know today during the 16th century in the Netherlands. Packed with essential nutrients like potassium, antioxidants, and vitamin A, carrots are a powerhouse of goodness. But what exactly makes them so nutritious? Let's find out. Carrots owe their vibrant orange color to beta-carotene, a carotenoid that not only gives them their distinctive hue but also promotes overall health. Rich in fiber, vitamins like E and C, and a range of B-group vitamins and minerals, carrots offer a myriad of health benefits, from supporting eye health to managing weight. Scientific studies have even highlighted their role in enhancing gut health and preventing certain diseases. Now that we've laid the foundation, let's delve into the 7 compelling reasons why you should make carrot juice a part of your daily routine. 1. Beneficial for eye health asterisk. Carrots are a powerhouse when it comes to promoting eye health. Loaded with carotenoids, especially beta-carotene, they help prevent night blindness and dryness, and may even contribute to preventing age-related eye conditions like cataracts and macular degeneration. 2. Weight management asterisk. Low in calories and high in fiber, carrots contribute to a feeling of fullness, making them a smart choice for those looking to control or reduce calorie intake. With approximately 88% water content, they also aid in hydration. 3. Prevents cardiovascular diseases asterisk. Carrots play a significant role in promoting cardiovascular health by reducing blood cholesterol levels and blood pressure. Packed with nutrients like vitamin K, beta-carotene, and vitamin C, they contribute to a healthier heart. 4. Lower cancer risk asterisk. Carotenoids found in carrots, especially beta-carotene, may help lower the risk of various types of cancers, including prostate, colon, and stomach cancers. These findings underscore the cancer-preventive potential of carrots. 5. Promotes skin health asterisk. With beta-carotenes, vitamin A, vitamin C, and other antioxidants, carrots contribute to skin health by delaying aging and protecting against UV damage. These nutrients complement a holistic skincare routine. 6. May support gut health asterisk. Rich in soluble fiber, carrots play a crucial role in supporting gut health by fueling beneficial gut bacteria. They aid in digestion, increase stool bulk, and contribute to the regulation of nutrient absorption and blood sugar levels. 7. Good for bone health asterisk. Vitamin K in carrots helps regulate calcium levels and promotes its fixation in bones. Combined with beta-carotene and vitamin C, carrots offer antioxidant effects that are generally beneficial for bone health. But wait, there's more to carrots than just their health benefits. Did you know that different types of carrots offer unique advantages? From the common orange carrots that maintain good vision and skin health to the purple ones rich in anthocyanins linked to heart health, and even red carrots with lypine acting as a protective agent against free radicals. Each type brings something special to the table. Now, you might be wondering, what's the best way to consume carrots to maximize their benefits? Eating them raw in salads preserves most nutrients, while cooking carrots enhances beta-carotene absorption. Another effective method is blending them into juices or smoothies, offering a concentrated nutrient boost. Now, before you rush to the kitchen, let's talk about safety. While carrots are generally safe for most people, there are exceptions. Allergic reactions, digestive discomfort from overconsumption, and potential interactions with medications are things to keep in mind. Always consult with your doctor, especially if you have specific health concerns. And now, the moment you've been waiting for, a delightful carrot juice recipe that's not only simple but also packed with rich nutrients. For this carrot apple ginger juice, you'll need 1 large apple with its skin, 5 carrots, a ½ piece of ginger with its skin, half a lemon or lime, and 3/4 cup of water. Simply blend these ingredients until smooth, strain the juice, squeeze in the lemon, and serve it cold with ice cubes for optimal taste. So, whether you're a carrot connoisseur or just starting to explore the world of nutritious beverages, incorporating carrot juice into your daily routine could be a game changer for your health. Don't forget to share your carrot experiences and any favorite recipes in the comments below. If you found this information helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Check out the recommended videos on your screen for more health tips and recipes. Until next time, take care and enjoy your carrot journey. Bye.